Hello and welcome to RSTV Sorted. The topic for today's 5-minute summary is India begins UNSC tenure. With the start of the new year, India began its 2-year term as United Nations Security Council non-permanent member. This is the eighth time that the country has had a seat in United Nations Security Council. India's priority areas during this tenure will be 1. Counter-terrorism. India will try to achieve a concrete and result oriented action for an effective response to international terrorism. India will also demand more transparency in listing and delisting entities and individuals by United Nations Sanction Committee. 2. Permanent membership in the United Nations Security Council. This is the need of the hour, and also India deserves this seat as the composition of the council was made in 1945 and the world has significantly changed since then. India is now playing a bigger role in the global politics. 3. Democracy and human rights. India being home to 1.3 billion people and being the biggest democracy in the world will bring up the issue to the table and talk to create consensus on the importance of human rights. 4. Security Council reforms in United Nations. India wants to push towards more cooperative structure, seeing the present friction between various nations. The world have different needs, different aspirations, and only a reformed United Nations can meet the aspirations of humanity. Talking about India's permanent membership in the United Nations Security Council, there are several impediments in India's way, and one such example is China. India, despite having 18% of the population of the world and significant economic standing in the world, is kept out of the Security Council. Whereas the world's largest and the most ruthless country, China is sitting on the high table with Security Council as permanent members. Therefore, China is able to push its own agendas and ignore human rights in its own country, and also its friend nation, Pakistan, is getting away with terrorism and human rights because of the same reason. India has made significant contributions for the world by sending our forces to 50 plus peacekeeping missions. Also, during the tough times of COVID 19, the pharma industry of India has sent essential supplies to more than 150 countries. Also, India is working extensively on poverty reduction and is committed to sustainable development goals. India is also raising voices for concerns of the Asia Pacific region. This illustrates how India is playing the role of a global power, how well it is cooperating with other countries and promoting democracy as well as pushing human rights. Thus, India has made itself eligible to deserve a permanent seat at UNSC table. But as per the realist thinking, United Nations Security Council reforms is not anywhere close to where we might like it to. The P5 countries, that is the US, UK, France, China, and Russia, are not open to the idea of extending this power any of the G4 countries, that is India, Brazil, Japan, and Germany. Despite that, finding global issues, working on them, solving them keeps us a chance in future because India's international image is now far better than ever before. India have to accept the fact that nobody will invite it to sit at the table, but India have to push itself in the role play. That's all for today's topic. Thank you and do subscribe RSTV Sorted for more such content.